Morning students, today we will do sound of vowel. Hold your pencil lightly in your hands and write with me, okay? Keep your pencil on the waistline of your notebook and write like me. Okay, start. P-E-A, P. Speak again. P-E-A, P. Now put pencil on the third line, means waistline. T E A T. Speak. T E A T. Put again pencil on the third line, means waistline. R E D, red. R E D, red. Next word is B E D, bed. Come downside, write in next line. P-E-N, P-E-A, P. T-E-A, T. R-E-D, red. B-E-D, bed. Students, writing should be slanting and small cursive, okay? Now write P-E-A, P. T-E-A, T. R-E-D, red. B-E-D, bed. Students, complete this page at home and send me on my mobile. I will check. Then I give you star. Okay? Bye.